So crypto is not for the faint of heart, and your conviction will be tested time and time again. I'm sure some people were tested yesterday as we saw ADA dropping down to 96 cents, but yet we bounced back in a huge, huge way. And in fact, this may have just unlocked the next leg in the crypto market because we set new all-time highs in crypto across a bunch of different metrics. And this is very, very important for this next leg that we need to see. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So yeah, ADA had some wild, wild swings. I was actually out grocery shopping with my wife last night, and I was getting alerts left and right. And it sucked to see ADA drop the way that it did, but it was, again, a huge time of opportunity. And yes, I'm going to say it's a huge time of opportunity. Actually, one of my SHIB long positions was unfortunately liquidated, and I subsequently opened up another one because I was like, it's going to bounce back in a huge way, and it has. It's up very, very heavily right now. And what's interesting is ADA basically returned back to the spot from whence it came, right? We're basically back at these same price points from Thursday. And in fact, this is right where I said ADA, or right where I said I wanted ADA to be heading into inauguration, right at the very tip of this big ascending triangle, more towards the top of this, right? But we're sitting right here kind of prepping for inauguration, which will obviously be happening middle of the day today. And we'll see what the crypto market decides to do. But obviously the big talk over the course of the weekend was Trump coin, but then things got really, really wild, like I talked about in the post I made last night. And that was this huge drop here because of the launch of Melania coin. Now, understand that at the time, I did not like this. I thought this was the dumbest thing ever. And of course, people decided to once again chase. People decided to be degens in the crypto market and try to make quick gains. Honestly, guys, I saw it like right here, and I was this close to aping some capital and not dumping my bags. I think that's dumb to do. People can obviously do what they want, but then I saw the huge network congestion, and just I'm like, no, that I'm not going to mess with that. I'm not interested. And it has done about a 2x from that point. So congrats to anybody that did well. I actually had a buddy of mine call me and ask me about this, and I'm like, with what's going on, I would just take a step back. All right. And what's good about this, all right, I didn't like the launch because obviously it tanked crypto. We saw ADA drop way down. We saw BTC break actually 100K to the downside, which was not a fun thing. But what this actually did was it essentially killed the runs on both of these coins. It killed the run on Trump coin, killed the run on Melania coin. So it was actually a good thing. And what's interesting about this is, again, these assets have bounced back basically to the spot that they were before it launched. And what this also coupled us with was a new all-time high in terms of BTC, a new all-time high in terms of the total market cap of crypto. We actually broke $3.73 trillion across the crypto market. And we got coupled with a new all-time high in daily trading volume across the crypto market, over $370 billion with a B in daily trading volume. So you actually saw this huge burst of excitement and burst of trading across the crypto market. Even take a look at something like ADA. You guys remember it was ranging between $1 to $2 billion in daily trading volume, $3 billion over the last 24 hours. So things are actually starting to heat up. You are starting to see activity, and activity is what is necessary for this next leg in the crypto market. And really, really where this is getting interesting, guys, look at what USDT dominance is doing. In fact, on today's daily candle, we set a lower low here in this local trend that we've been in. So you're actually seeing some of that capital that's on the sidelines start to flow back into the space. So this in a roundabout way, very, very roundabout way, this was actually a good thing for the market. It's not, I don't think it's the greatest look, right? Especially if there's, like, let's say another launch that comes today or something like that. So be prepared for that. But in a roundabout way, this was actually maybe the infusion of activity that the market needed to basically get off its ass and start doing something, right? Now, we'll obviously see what happens as the day goes on. Again, inauguration is the big question mark, like I talked about. I didn't know what to expect going into today, but now we're seeing green. We're seeing excitement. We're seeing activity. And this may be this push into, again, the next leg in the crypto market. You need activity. We need same thing, long or short leverage liquidations. We've been working our way into that. We obviously got into some long liquidations as well, but that's kind of my big take on this. And right now, ADA's looking good at 108.50, And maybe this is the day where we actually again break out of our trend and start making some moves here. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. This is very exciting to see. Again, my ADA long positions are still open. You know, this one on BTCC, that's up 224%. Obviously down a little bit from the other day, but and then my one on Marjek, that one's still 354%. The SHIB position that I opened, for example, last night, up 95% and looking good so far. So again, if you guys do want to check out BTCC, there's a referral link in the description below. You can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. So feel free to check that out if you guys would like. But let me know your thoughts about what we're going to get today. Is this the actual infusion of activity that we needed in the market? Will this make us set new all-time highs in the short term in terms of ADA and other assets in the space? But have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.